The letter C in English can make two sounds. A hard k sound like comb, calculator, or a soft s sound. For example, city, centimeter. Now what sound it makes depends on the letter that follows it. Now if the letter C is followed by I, E or Y, it will make a S sound. Centimeter, cyclone, center, city, cycle. And if the letter C is followed by any other letter other than H, we'll tackle that some other day. Then it's pronounced as K, cool, calculator, compass, color, company. I hope you learned something new today. I'll be back with more. Till then, do follow me at Fab Vocab Lab.